Hi, I'm Rob Donahue, Director of Sales for Donahue America. Today we're at the factory in Verona, Italy, taking a look at our new P425 machine. From the input of our customers, the P425 was developed to have a small footprint, be flexible, and really get the job done for unique materials. The machine comes standard with a 13 horsepower motor, small table size, 135 by 78 inches, so you're able to put a complete slab on and utilize many of the options that we'll talk about here in just a minute. The table, while small and compact, is very versatile and flexible. We have 3 table options, a wood table, we have a completely rubber table, and a combination table of wood and rubber. Once we get past the table, the options include a photo camera for locating the piece on the table. It also allows the customer to see the veining of the material to create unique pieces, nice vein match products. Additionally, we have the option for a Tools Plus that allows us to mill more effectively, drill more effectively. With the Tools Plus, we can spin up to 15,000 RPM, which gets us in the range of the more effective milling functions. Also, we have a vacuum move system, which allows us to maximize yield on material, making common line cuts. In addition to the vacuum move system, we have a slab probe and a blade tool measuring device. So we're putting more accuracy into the brain so that what you're getting out is a complete product as you designed it. And a final unique little option is the dressing block. The dressing block is an automatic cycle to dress the blade. As we all know, working with porcelain is very tough on blades. They tend to glaze. This is an option that is really needed on these machines. The P425 comes with many protections, but most importantly, the front doors and the rear closing. These are important because we're doing many different types of work. We're making straight cuts, we're making miter cuts, we're making drilling, milling. The P425, like all of the Donahue cutting machines, are powered by our parametric software, which is developed and designed by Donahue and is serviced, maintained, and continually improved through input from our customers by our software office, where we have 12 software engineers working day and night trying to make things better. In addition to the base software, we have a few custom softwares that help the job. The Easy Match, which allows you to book match materials. Project Match, which allows you to do an entire project. You have an entire floor. Or our Scan CNC to take simple templates and create a digital file that we need to make it all work. The Donahue started as a service company in 1959. Today we continue that tradition in the United States with our service center based in Greensboro, North Carolina, opened in 2022. Here we have our call service technicians. We also have spare parts to service all the machines, from lasers, motors, computers. You name it, we've got it. Give us a call. Yeah, thank you for your time. From Verona, from the Donahue family, we hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope at some point you will want to become part of our family.